Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about anatomy and physiology of the voice. First of all, I'm going to start with airflow. Airflow is the movement of air in exhalation through the vocal cords and the vocal folds. We need airflow to provide a consistent air supply to the same source. Now, I'm going to start with the lungs. With our lungs, the lungs oxygenate the body because when the air is breathed in via the nose and the mouth. So when a person breathes in the lungs expand and are assisted by other muscles, which are known as the intercostal muscles, to function. When breathing out, the lungs do not need assistance. The purpose of the lungs are for oxygen to enter the body while removing carbon dioxide. The oxygen provides the body with energy. So, the lungs are located in our chest. They are about 30 to 50 square metres, but can go up to 70 to 100 metres. They are of a spongy texture. They are light in weight. Our right lung weighs about 970 grams and our left lung about 440 grams. The right lung has 3 lobes and the left lung only has 2 to accommodate to our heart. The area between our lungs contains a thin layer of fluid which allows our lungs to slide up and down when we're breathing in and out. Now, if I'm moving on to the intercostal muscles, there are 2 layers of these. They mainly are involved in the process of breathing and they help form and move the chest wall. They are responsible for respiratory movements of the ribs in breathing. They are located in between the ribs. They are 22 pairs of intercostal muscles, but they are split into 2 groups. That's 11 pairs of internal and 11 pairs of external. Okay, their main function is to move the chest wall and assist with breathing process. They are responsible for exhalation, which is where we breathe in, and exhalation where we breathe out, and inhalation where we breathe in. When we breathe in, the muscles contract and shorten, causing elevation and expansion of our ribs, and when exhaling, the muscles are not involved, and the intercostal muscles are just known as relaxed. Now, if I move on to the diaphragm, it is an active and hard-working muscle. It is our main muscle of breathing. It is shaped as a dome. It is 12 inches long and 6 inches wide. It contracts and flattens when we inhale, and when we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and the air is pushed out of our lungs. The diaphragm sits on top of our abdominal cavity, which is mostly known as our stomach, and the heart sits on top of the diaphragm in between our lungs. Now, the diaphragm helps in inspiration, which is the main muscle of inspiration. As I said earlier, it contracts, flattens out when we inhale and relaxes, and air is pushed out of our diaphragm up through our throat and out through our mouth. It also helps during vomit and helps to remove other feces of the body and urine. It's also a big part in acid reflux, as the diaphragm helps to open up our chest and push the substances out through our esophagus. Now, if we move on to the ribs, there are 12 ribs on each side, equaling out to 24 ribs altogether. They are crucial to the breathing process. Our rib cage that protects our organs is very flexible. The top is narrower than the bottom, and it is located just above our neck around here. The average size of a female rib cage is 29 or 30 inches big, and each rib moves in relation to our spine. Now, the rib's functions are to support our organs behind the rib cage and to help with the function of respiration and protection of the organs. It facilitates in inhalation and exhalation. It protects the heart, the lungs, the liver and the kidneys, and the framework, as I said, protects all these organs. Now I'm going to move on to our spine. The spine consists of four sections called cervical, thoracic, lumbar and sacrum. I'm going to start with the cervical. This section makes up our neck. All the bones are the same except the top 2, which allows the rotation of our neck so we can move our neck and our head. These two bones are called atlas and axis. If I move on to the thoracic part, it has 12 vertebrae which the ribs attach to. So here's our rib, go all the way around and attach to the thoracic part of our spine. It is larger than the cervical section. This is because they have to support more of our body's weight. Now, if I move on to the lumbar part, it has 5 vertebrae which make up our lower back. Now, the sacrum consists of only 5 bones which are fused together. That makes up our coccyx, which are fused together. And then our coccyx, which is right at the bottom of our back, just above our bum, is made up of 4 tiny bones and is known as the tail. Our spine protects our organs. It protects the structures in the spinal cord from injury, including our brain and our inner organs. It facilitates in movement of our body and flexibility and supports our body's weight. Thank you for listening.